Hey everyone, welcome back to English Mastery. Today, we're tackling gerunds and infinitives, 35 MCQs to put your knowledge to the test. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Let's jump right in. 1. Choose the correct sentence. He is interested in learning French. Tips: interested in is followed by a gerund. 2. Which is the correct sentence? I would like to eat now. Tips: would like is followed by an infinitive. 3. Choose the correct option. I can't help laughing at his joke. Tips: can't help is followed by a gerund. 4. Select the correct sentence. She started reading the book. Tips: start can be followed by a gerund or infinitive. 5. Which sentence is correct? They need to study more. Tips: need is followed by an infinitive. 6. Choose the correct sentence. He is used to waking up early. Tips: be used to is followed by a gerund. 7. Which is the correct sentence? They agreed to meet at the park. Tips: agree is followed by an infinitive. 8. Select the correct form. She can't stand waiting any longer. Tips: can't stand is followed by a gerund. 9. Choose the right option. I would prefer to go to the cinema. Tips: would prefer is followed by an infinitive. 10. Which sentence is correct? I enjoy playing tennis. Tips: enjoy is followed by a gerund. 11. I enjoy books in my free time. Reading. Tips: verbs like enjoy are followed by gerunds, ing form. 12. She decided a new language. To learn. Tips: decide is followed by an infinitive, to plus verb. 13. He suggested out for dinner. Going. Tips: suggest is always followed by a gerund, ing form. 14. I can't afford a new car. To buy. Tips: afford is always followed by an infinitive. 15th. She kept, even though she was tired. Working. Tips: keep is followed by a gerund. 16. They agreed. The contract. To sign. Tips, agree is always followed by an infinitive. 17. He refused the truth. To admit. Tips, refuse takes an infinitive form. 18. She avoided the topic. Mentioning. Tips, avoid is followed by a gerund. 19. We plan a trip next summer. To take. Tips, plan is followed by an infinitive. 20. He denied the mistake. Making. Tips, deny is always followed by a gerund. 21. They hope a scholarship. To get. Tips, hope is followed by an infinitive. 22. I can't help when I watch sad movies. Crying. Tips, can't help is always followed by a gerund. 23rd. She offered me with my homework. To help. Tips, offer takes an infinitive form. 24. He admitted the error. Making. Tips, admit is followed by a gerund. 25. We discussed a new strategy. Developing. Tips, discuss is followed by a gerund. 26th. She avoided to him. Speaking. Tips, avoid always takes a gerund. 27. He promised me back soon. To call. Tips, promise is followed by an infinitive. 28. They failed the deadline. To meet. Tips, fail is followed by an infinitive. 29. I can't stand in traffic. Waiting. Tips, can't stand is followed by a gerund. 30. She reminded me my passport. To bring. Tips, use an infinitive after remind for actions. 31. He quit his job last year. Doing. Tips, quit is followed by a gerund. 32. They learned the piano. To play. Tips, learn is followed by an infinitive. 33. I miss in the countryside. Living. Tips, miss is always followed by a gerund. 34. She managed, on time. To arrive. Tips, manage is followed by an infinitive. 35. He risked everything. Losing. Tips, risk is followed by a gerund. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more English tips. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one.